Okay. I am also carefully holding this between my knees, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to load some of this down through this bucket sluice. And I'm just barely spoon feeding it in here. If I've got it set right and if it's doing its job, it should be collecting gold in the first few ripples. Now, I have found gold using this little bucket sluice, so I know it works, but I'm just wondering how well. And like I said, trapping it back down in the bucket down there, just in case any gets away. Try to get creative with washing the bowl out. Not losing anything. If you try to introduce too much water to this bucket sluice, it has a tendency to wash the stuff right out. So now, I see some light stuff has made it through the sluice, through the bucket. A bunch of it's down at the bottom. And, excuse me, even out the trough that I've cut in the bucket, and down into the pan that I have here, which doesn't even have to be there, it's just in case. So if we look in the sluice, I'm not exactly happy totally. The gold is in there. But I'm finding pieces all the way down at the second to the last, third to the last rung, fourth, big one right there, one here, two here, one there, one, two there, and a couple decent sized ones in here. So this could mean, guys, that my water's not on hard enough, or it's on too hard, or the angle that they say is pre-built into the California sluice, bucket sluice, may not be proper. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, I'm happy with my results, needless to say. I drove to a spot that's not supposed to have it. I did find it. It took me a couple weeks because of regular life. And this is my, free time that I do this in. But I am happy. I got some. Gives me a reason to go back. Maybe even try near there, but in a different place. And this is Colonel Sack signing out. Happy panning and full ones.